Welcome to our channel, The Spiritual Odyssey, where journey is not only outward but also inward. Kashi, the city where the divine dances with life, where the Ganga is not just a river but a mother, where each ghat carries a story older than the time itself. Kashi, the city where time dissolves, where the Ganga flows not as a river but as a divine presence embracing the mortal world. Every journey has a beginning, and in Kashi, it begins where the Ganga first whispers a secret to the rising sun. Here at the edge of eternity, the soul feels its own depth. This is not just a city, it is the oldest living teacher of spirituality. A place where each ripple of the river reminds us of who we truly are. Aham Atma Gudakesha Sarva Bhutasha Sthita, meaning, I am the self dwelling in the heart of all beings. This shloka from Bhagavad Gita reminds us that the divine is not outside, it is within us, waiting to be rediscovered. Today, let us walk through the sacred ghats of Kashi, understanding the ancient stories, rituals, history, and deep spiritual significance. For all the viewers, begin your journey with openness. Kashi doesn't reveal itself to the mind, it reveals itself to the heart. Asi Ghat, the beginning of pilgrimage. Southernmost Ghat, alive with morning prayers. Asi Ghat stands at the confluence of River Ganga and River Asi, considered a powerful spiritual junction. It is believed that goddess Durga slew the demons Shumbha and Nishumbha here and released the Asi river with her sword. The ghat is mentioned in ancient texts like the Puranas, making it a timeless center of devotion. It's also where many saints and scholars meditated, adding to its mystical aura. The ghat is famous for Subeh Banaras, morning ritual, yoga, chanting, flute, and aarti. The grand Ganga Aarti every evening creates a divine atmosphere here. The huge statue of Lord Shiva near the river is a major attraction. This ghat symbolizes purification, awakening, and a new beginning. Tulsi Ghat, the ghat of devotion. Tulsidas Ghat is located on the sacred banks of Ganga in Varanasi. It holds a deep cultural, spiritual, and literary importance. It is named after the Goswami Tulsidas, the legendary saint poet who composed the Ramcharitramanas, one of the most influential epics in the Indian literature. According to the tradition, Tulsidas spent many years here meditating, writing, and connecting with divine inspiration. He is also believed to have composed the Hanuman Chalisa here. This ghat represents bhakti, poetry, surrender, and spiritual creativity. Kedar Ghat, Himalayan energy in Kashi. Kedar Ghat is one of the most vibrant and spiritually powerful ghats of Varanasi. Known for its South Indian architectural style and its association with Lord Shiva in the form of Kedareshwar Mahadev. The ghat is a major hub for pilgrims, students, and travelers. The Kedareshwar temple at the ghat is built in South Indian Dravidian style but dedicated to the same deity associated with Kedarnath. Bathing here is said to bring blessings equal to Kedarnath Darshan. This ghat symbolizes strength, purity, and Shiva's grace. Harishchandra Ghat, the path of truth. Among the many sacred ghats of Varanasi, one stands out for its deep spiritual, historical, and emotional significance, the Harishchandra Ghat. This ghat is not just a place, it is a powerful reminder of truth, humanity, and the eternal cycle of life and death. Like Manikarnika Ghat, Harishchandra Ghat is one of the oldest active cremation ghats in Varanasi. Here, the fire of cremation has been burning for centuries, symbolizing the belief that death is not an end, but a doorway to liberation, moksha. Harishchandra Ghat is named after the king Harishchandra, the legendary ruler known for his unwavering commitment to truth. According to mythology, after losing everything in a test of his honesty, the king worked right here at the cremation ground collecting woods for funeral rites. Impressed by his integrity, the gods finally returned his throne and blessed him. This story makes Harishchandra Ghat a symbol of truth, sacrifice, raw reality, humanity, and acceptance. Dash Ashwamedh Ghat, heart of Kashi, a place where devotion, energy, and ancient tradition come alive every single day. Dash Ashwamedh Ghat gets its name from a powerful legend. It is said that Lord Brahma performed 10 Ashwamedh Yagyas here to welcome Lord Shiva. Because of this divine history, this ghat is considered one of the most sacred and oldest places in Kashi. The biggest attraction of Dash Ashwamedh Ghat is the famous Ganga Aarti. Every evening, as the sun sets, the ghat transforms into a stage of devotion. The ghat, in its present form, was rebuilt by Peshwa Balaji Bajirao in 18th century and later renovated by Queen of Indore, Ahilyabai Holkar. Their contribution preserved the sacred space for future generations. This ghat symbolizes cosmic energy, devotion, and celebration of life. As we stand on these ancient ghats, we realize every step is a prayer, every breath is a mantra, every moment is sacred. Kashi is not a place to see, it is a place to feel and experience. Every step, every sound, every prayer vibrates with life. In Gita, there is a shloka, Yogastu Kuru Karmani, meaning, establish in yoga, perform your actions. Let your actions flow from awareness, not desire. Just as the Ganga moves without asking for anything, walk your spiritual path with purity and simplicity. In the next episode, we move deeper along the ghats into the stories of devotion, liberation, and divine mysteries. Till then, we take your leave. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel, The Spiritual Odyssey. Har Har Mahadev, Jai Ma Gange.